Hey guys, so if you're looking to do the tree supports, the organic supports here in Creality Slicer or into PrusaSlicer, what you normally do here in Creality Slicer is you go here to the supports there, but this is not how you do it actually. You'll have to go into the edit, go to your supports here, generate the supports. The support structure will be put on a tree slim, and then the support placement would be on build plate. So you can go ahead and save that. Slice. And there you go. This is how it's come out. You can see much better than the normal zigzag supports. Anyways, let's go to PrusaSlicer. So over here in PrusaSlicer, what you're gonna do first is you're gonna put your settings into normal mode. You're gonna go to print settings, support and material, generate support, auto generated supports. You can put overhang threshold on 30 is what I like to use it. You can leave it on 40 if you want. You go to style to organic, which is the tree supports, and then you put support on build plate only. You can save that and you can slice it. Okay, so there we go. That's your supports on PrusaSlicer. So if this video helped you guys at all, um, feel free to like the video, and if you have any other things that you want to know, let me know in the comments.